Hello everyone in the Ascend Forex universe. I'm Michelle, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today to talk about something that could completely transform the way you approach your financial future. Let me introduce you to Ascend Forex's Beginner's Guide to Trading. Whether you're completely new to Forex or have been dabbling with trading and want to sharpen your skills, this course is designed to guide you step by step through the essentials of Forex trading. Now, let's talk about the benefits of taking this course. First and foremost, this course breaks down the complexities of Forex trading into simple, actionable steps. We'll start with the basics, understanding how the Forex market works, key terminologies, and foundational strategies. Then, as you gain confidence, I'll guide you to trade smarter and more effectively. It's not just about learning theory. This course is practical, empowering you to make informed decisions and take charge of your trading journey. Whether your goal is financial independence, creating a side hustle, or pursuing full-time trading, this course has you covered. The bonuses are a treasure trove of value. Let me walk you through them. Forex Glossary, your guide to all the key terms you'll encounter in the trading world. Forex instruments defined, clarity on the tools you'll be trading with. Cash back to you, a little something extra to make the journey even sweeter. Chart patterns cheat sheet. Master technical analysis with ease. Guide to lot sizes and positions. Understand the mechanics of your trades. Risk management strategy. Protect your capital like a pro. Ebook, Forex Trading for Beginners, a comprehensive guide to keep by your side. But wait, there's more. We're also including access to exclusive free podcasts packed with insider insights, expert interviews, and actionable tips. Whether you're commuting, working out, or relaxing, you can continue learning on the go. So, what are you waiting for? This is your chance to step into the exciting world of Forex with confidence and support. The Ascend Forex Beginner's Guide to Trading isn't just a course. It's a community, a journey, and a leap toward your financial freedom. Click below to enroll now and take the first step toward your trading success. I can't wait to see you inside as you ascend to new heights.